Did you ever dream about having a unicorn? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn headband. For this tutorial, you're going to need amazing mold putty, easy cast, clay to mold your unicorn horn, chain and a filigree, jump rings, glitter, E6000 glue, clear gloss spray paint, and a crystal pendant. So the first thing you want to do is roll out 2 strands of your clay and then wrap it around each other into a point. And then bake it or let it air dry to harden. Next thing you want to do is get your mold putty and mix it together. Then you're going to lay your mold putty out flat and roll the unicorn horn into it, kind of like a burrito. Make sure you have the end of your unicorn horn sticking out of the putty to have an opening to pour the resin in. While the putty is molding, start mixing your resin and make sure to follow the directions. And as you're mixing, start pouring your choice of glitter in. Once the unicorn horn has molded, take it out and pour your resin in. And once the resin has hardened, you can take it out and it should look a little like this. And now you can spray the unicorn horn with a few coats of clear gloss spray paint to give it a glossy finish. Now let's move on to the head chain. So what you're going to do is measure your head with the chain, attach the clasp with the jump rings, and attach the filigree to the center of the chain. Now with your E6000 glue, place it on the bottom of the unicorn horn and put it on the center of the filigree and hold it there in place for a couple of seconds until it dries. Now all that's left is to add your crystal pendant for a magical touch. Now all that's left is to put on a white flowy dress, add some sparkly eyelids, put in some special contacts, and now put on your headband. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a magical Halloween.